What's up, Kevin from Damian Labs here. In today's video, we're gonna be skiing, trying out my new Dalbello DS Asolo 120 GW boots that I scored for an absolute steal. You're gonna see a lot of me falling. I had to actually learn skiing because of these boots, completely different. Not only that, we faced a blizzard in the mountain and going back home. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment down below, and let's get to it. What's up, guys? Kevin here, and today I'm gonna do a little vlog up to Snowball, a little ski trip. Personally, I ski. I know it's different, but the rest of my boys, they snowboard, so I'm just go out there with them, go snowball. They should be getting snow today. There should be a storm around like 12. So really excited for that. Just woke up, just changed and everything. Just fit. I got everything right here. And honestly, that's like what we need, basically. But yeah, I'm gonna grab my water, my Monster, and visit them where we need to visit them. Then probably get a Philly cheesesteak. Yeah, hopefully today's a good day, you know? Praise God. Water, Monster. So yeah, here's everything in my car for equipment. I have my cousin's ski board over here and his burn boots and Solomon strap-ons or bindings, and I don't know the board, but it has like a Phoenix on it. So we rented all this from Ski Pro, and I just got these new shoes here. These are new shoes. They're used apparently. Don't look used here. They're Dalbellos. Look so good. Wow, and they're really comfy. You know that price tag, 850 bucks, but I got it for 250. Plus, I got it for even cheaper than that. So that's amazing. I got some head skis right here. So just gonna be using that. Basic Solomon helmet and adjustable poles, and hopefully I can record the trip. Hopefully my hands will freeze. I'm using my iPhone, so hopefully it goes all well. But yeah, see you guys later.
Hey John, I'm gonna take that SCP number 2, my camera, and I'm heading home. Okay?
That's not me.
Yeah. Boy, is this fun. Okay, that pan brings me up to frame 89. Okay, John, 89. Get him up. Those switches going to one. Okay, and John, get it.
So piece of food. Get it. Setting up over here. That's how the fit. Check me out. Beautiful over here. Got my new boots. Instead of using these. Alright, trying these new boots. See how they are. See, what's up? Ah. I think I feel like sick.
You could not maneuver with that.
Guys, right now I'm eating it, bro. Went on the Grand Canyon, the steep part. These new boots are not doing me well. I'll go on the bunny hill. Oh my goodness. Whew. Make it work. I'm gonna use these boots. I'll get there. Should not went on the Grand Canyon. Not too bad. Goodness. I'm trying to do this while recording. It's really hard actually. Bad. See you guys out there. I'm exhausted. Whew. How you doing, sir?
Great, how are you?
I'm doing good.
I think I saw you wipe out earlier holding that phone.
Yes, I wiped out multiple times holding this phone.
That's part of it.
I got these new boots. Really hard.
Oh yeah.
Like, dude, I was hitting Grand Canyon like pretty good, like hitting the skate park, the park.
Yeah.
Now these things like mess me up. I gotta relearn everything.
By yourself?
Yeah, but I can go with anyone.
Sounds good. You'll be with these two over here.
Okay,
so
bet.
you'll just be behind this group.
Gotcha. Yo, we got the same shoes. We got the same brand. What's your flex? What's your flex at? Like how tight are they? Like the flex?
No, I could not tell you. Some rentals, whatever they
Oh, the rentals? From where?
First chair.
Where?
First chair.
First chair? Okay. I go to Ski Pro. I bought these from Ski Pro and like they're 120 flex. Like they were like, we were testing them and we got a crazy good deal.
Yeah, these are not the most comfortable.
Yeah. You have to hold to your feet. That's what I heard. So I'm just kind of going along the process and yeah, right now I'm just vlogging. Hopefully you guys don't mind being in it.
No, you're good.
Yeah, dude, these shoes, they're like, they're really tight. But like, dude, what is it? These are like, kind of like expert level shoes. Straight up brand new.
How long have you been skiing for?
This is my second season. It's like my 5th time coming, 6 times. And dude, the visibility ain't the best.
Yeah, yesterday was much better.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Go to cafeteria, take these off, get my blood flow back, eat some, get back on the slopes.
I like it. It's fun.
Just finding like good deals, like on Craigslist and all that. Yeah, good. I'd recommend renting though. I rented like my first whole season, and I think I'm gonna buy some skis. So. Alright guys, just going down the mountain took us a while, but doing it. Crazy conditions out here in Flagstaff.